Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving headfirst into a culinary adventure here in Singapore. And trust me, you are going to want to stick around for this one. We are at Beach Road Kitchen, a buffet restaurant that's known for its incredible seafood spread and a delightful array of local dishes. And let me tell you, the journey here is just as charming as the destination. So we are making our way to Beach Road Kitchen, and look at this. What really makes this walk special are these incredible art pieces. They are so vibrant and add such a unique touch to the whole experience. It's like a mini art gallery on the way to a food paradise. You can really take your time and enjoy the surroundings before you even get to the restaurant. It's really setting the mood for a relaxing and enjoyable meal. And here we are, Beach Road Kitchen. Wow, look at this place, it's huge, but it got such a warm and inviting vibe. The lighting, the decor, and it's all so cozy. And just look at the buffet spread, it's like a culinary wonderland. We got stations stretching all the way around, and I can already smell the delicious seafood. Let's dive in, shall we? But it's not just about the seafood. Beach Road Kitchen also celebrates Singapore's rich culinary heritage. There are just so many local dishes to try, it's hard to know where to start. And if you are looking for something beyond seafood and local food, don't worry, they have got you covered. We got an amazing western roast section with beautifully cooked meats. There's truly something for everyone here. And look at this dessert station, it's a sweet tooth dream come true. Now, let's talk about the dining experience itself. The staff here are so friendly and attentive. They are always ready to help and answer any questions. And the atmosphere is just perfect. It's relaxed and comfortable, making it the perfect place to enjoy a leisurely meal with friends and family. The seating is spacious and the lighting creates a warm and inviting ambience. It's really a place where you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the incredible food. Okay, it's time for dessert. We have got everything from classic cakes to local delights like pastries. I'm going to try this matcha red bean cake and it looks amazing. Well, that was an incredible dining experience at Beach Road Kitchen. The variety of food, the freshness of the seafood, the delicious local dishes, and the warm and inviting atmosphere is all just perfect. If you're looking for a buffet in Singapore that offers an amazing culinary adventure, this is definitely the place to be. I highly recommend it. So, what are you waiting for? Come and experience the amazing food at Beach Road Kitchen for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more food adventures, and leave a comment below telling us what your favorite buffet dish is. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.